Yes, come in.
Hi Dennis, how are ya? Good to see you again. Did you get a chance to look through your desk like we had talked about?
Yes, I did.
Good.
Yeah, I don't think. I think this will be pretty easy. I really don't have that much stuff in here. So, oh, I forgot I had that in here. Oh, well. That's no big deal. I forgot about that. Oh, just one more thing here. It's easy enough. Jeez, how did I get that in there? I got that in there. So what do you think?
Well, okay, I've definitely seen worse, and I'm glad that I'm here to help you. Let's get started. So my name is Sarah Davis, and I am the owner of Method Indianapolis. We are a professional organizing service here in town, and we specialize in organizing people's homes and offices. So today we are here in Dennis's office, and we've kind of gone through everything, itemized all of his stuff. We found some pain points, one of which is this nice side drawer here that we're going to focus on today, and I'll show you how we kind of categorize the products that I have previously purchased to make it a sustainable system, and the final product. So I've purchased these products for Dennis, and these are perfect organizing tools to kind of keep everything intact. So we went ahead and previously measured the drawer that we're focusing on, and did that with all of the other spaces in the office also, to know exactly what product is necessary for the space. So these containers actually fit perfectly in the drawer, and we'll put these in, and then we've already decided what items are going to go in each space, kind of categorized everything. That way he's able to maintain the drawer in the new organized fashion, and he can grow with it over time. So this is our final product. We were able to categorize all of the items that were in Dennis's side drawer, kind of decided what were the most essential pieces to him on a daily basis, and we were able to fit them perfectly in the space, and the goal being that he can sustain it over time and kind of swap things out as different pieces become more important to him. And that is the Method.